Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials so activation can proceed without surprises. Sign into your Apple ID in Settings and confirm the phone number and email are listed. This is what iMessage registers. Next, make sure your cellular data or Wi-Fi works and that date and time is set automatically. Incorrect time blocks activation. Restart the phone, toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then reinsert the SIM if needed. Once done, move straight to the iMessage settings to attempt activation. You now trigger the actual activation and handle verification. In Settings Messages, toggle iMessage off, count to 30, then toggle it back on. That simple reset often forces Apple's servers to retry. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID for Messages and FaceTime, restart the device, then sign back in to refresh credentials. For cases requiring SMS verification, send a test SMS or request your carrier to enable SMS over your plan. iMessage uses an SMS handshake for activation in some regions. Finish by letting the system complete its backend checks. Activation can take up to 24 hours, so keep Wi-Fi or cellular enabled and the phone charging to avoid interruptions. If iMessage still shows activation unsuccessful, reset network settings to clear corrupt configurations. This will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords, so have those handy. As a last step, gather error messages, timestamps, and attempt logs. Then contact Apple support or your carrier for escalation. One tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.